HK Gamer Bros. Hey guys, today we can box this Tomica grater. Enjoy!
Alright, thank you JD. Hey guys, again, welcome to another episode here at HKX Gamer Bros, and we're gonna unbox this grater number 140 Tomica Komatsu motor grater GD675-6. It's a long name, JD. Yeah, what's inside, guys?
A grater in pieces!
Oh, what happened? Oh, it fell apart. Can you help me, JD?
Of course.
Yeah, how do you fix this, please?
I'll show
Which
you.
one?
This thing. See, these are the pistons.
Alright, show me the pistons.
There.
Like, oh, so that's what you do to put the pistons
We can put
back.
sand there.
Alright, so this, show us the part, CD. What's this?
Blade.
That's the
Blade.
That's the blade in the back.
A
What's this?
claw.
The claw, and what's this?
Claw rubber. Cab.
That's the cab, and where's the engine?
There.
Right.
Those are
excellent.
no, those are not engines. Those are motors.
Those are the motors. Pretty
Motor
cool,
and
huh?
engine.
Nice. I like this one, JD. It's huge.
Wait, wheels move.
Oh yeah, the wheels move, right? Okay. That's
it.
it. We're gonna make a stop motion video. And
This turns.
oh yeah, it can move as well.
It's weeble.
Weeble, it's wobbly. Wobbly.
And also you can do like this, a little bit.
Yeah, I know. The wheels are
The wheels
wobbly.
come heavy.
All right.
The
Okay.
wheels wait, guys.
All right.
The wheels can be heavy. If you press a switch and then it will be heavy.
Oh, and then?
The blade moves.
All right.
Too.
Okay. What do you say to them?
Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this grader. If the road's bumpy, bye.
Bye.
Goodbye, guys.